What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Back at it again with another amazing video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install FileLink on your Android boxes. It's very simple to do, so let's get right into it. All right, you're going to open up your browser. Depending on where your browser at, or you already know your box better than anybody else, so just open up your browser. Once you get your browser opened up, you're going to go into your search bar, okay? You're going to click that up there, and you're going to write this in, www.filelinked.com, okay? Once you have that entered in, you're going to hit enter or go, or however you have it on your box. This is the screen you want. This is the website you want, okay? Once you go into here, you're going to hit download file link. I'm going to click that, okay? Give it a second. There you go. Click it. It's going to ask you to download, grant permission, allow permission, or whatever the case may be. You're just going to download it, okay? Once I downloaded it, or if it's once it's done downloading, it should show you this screen. Now, since I already downloaded it before, I have it saying new and all, but once you first time download it, it's going to say something different. All you're going to worry about is right here. You're going to hit install, okay? You're going to allow it to install. Give it a second. Depending on your internet speed, sometimes some are faster than others. Just give it some time to download. And there you go. Now, from this point, you can just open it. All right. Let it load up. And once again, I apologize for the background noise. I just had to move to a different room to record. All right. Now, this is the code you're going to put in my code. My code is 64539676. Okay? Once you have that entered in, right, click down to continue. Just hit continue. Should open up. And then you go. I got a little message there you could read or whatever. Just you could dismiss that. And here's all my files that I put up for you guys to get. These are really good APKs and stuff like that. You could dismiss that too. That's just a letterhead or a newsletter. You could dismiss that. Okay? Just to show you it works. Okay? Let's get this one right here. Bobby Movies. Okay? You click it, let it upload. Okay? What you're gonna notice with this, you're gonna see like the bar, the green bar, just moving across the screen. Give it a second. And like I said, it all depends on your speed of your internet. All right. See how it's done? Now what you're gonna do from this point is, let me move my camera a little bit so you can see how's the play button. You're just gonna highlight that, okay? And then click it. Prompts you to here. And you see how it says install? Click install. And then it puts it right into your device. Okay? Just to show you it does that. Okay, see how it says allow? Yes, you want it to allow. Let's give it a second. Move the camera just so you can see. There you go. Downloaded. And like I said, it all depends on your internet speed. My internet speed is a little slow, but it's done. Okay? Now just to show you how it is, if it's on your device, you exit out of this. Yes. Just put yes. It brings you back to the menu here. Just exit all the way out or hit the house button on your remote. Exit out your browser. Just to show you it's on there or on the device. Go into applications and there it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe. Hit like, subscribe, and share my video. And once again, just leave comments down below with any questions, or if you have any comments on something, or you just want to know something. I try to respond back as best I can. Okay? Have a great day. Bye.
Yeah.